Hello and welcome! Today, we're going to look at how you can completely transform your study habits using a really powerful AI tool. Seriously, it turns your own notes into your biggest academic advantage. So, let's dive right in.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're staring at this mountain of textbooks, lecture notes, just feeling totally overwhelmed. You put in the hours, you read everything, but then, when the test comes, it's just gone. It's a super frustrating cycle. But what if there was a better way to do it?
Well, there is. It's time to meet the solution to all those study struggles. Think of it like a personal research assistant, one that's ready to help you make sense of all your material anytime you need it. And this amazing tool is called NotebookLM. The best way to think about it is as your own personal study partner. Its whole job is to help you understand your documents, your PDFs, your notes, your sources, and to help you learn from them way faster.
And here's the absolute key takeaway, the most important part. Unlike a lot of other AIs that search the entire internet, NotebookLM is grounded only in the sources that you provide. This means you get a private, secure little world that contains only your knowledge. No distractions, no outside noise, just a laser focus on what you need to learn.
So how do you even get started? You'll be surprised, it's incredibly simple. Let's build the foundation, your custom knowledge base, in just 2 super quick steps.
Okay, first things first. You create a new notebook and give it a name that makes sense. You know, something like Indian Polity UPSC if you're studying for an exam, or maybe Biology Midterm. Then, you just start uploading your sources. And this can be anything. Textbook, PDFs, your own lecture notes, articles you've saved, you name it.
All right, once your sources are uploaded, this is where the real magic happens. You don't just have a folder of files anymore. What you have is a set of study superpowers that are going to completely transform how you prep for any test or assignment.
Let's kick things off with the first and maybe the most useful superpower, instant summaries. Forget spending hours and hours trying to boil down those dense chapters. With this, you can get it done in seconds.
And all you have to do is just ask. Use a simple prompt, just like the one you see here, and tell NotebookLM exactly what you need. In this case, we're asking it to break down a pretty complex topic from our Indian polity materials.
And boom, here's the result. Now, what's so powerful here isn't just the clean, easy-to-read summary. See those little numbers next to each point? Those are citations. If you click on one, it takes you to the exact spot in your original document where it found that info. This is absolutely fantastic for fact-checking or just diving deeper.
Okay, summarizing your notes is great, but how do you make sure that information actually sticks in your brain? Well, that brings us to our next superpower, testing your own knowledge to really supercharge your memory.
You can literally turn your passive reading material into an active learning session. Just ask NotebookLM to create a quiz based on your sources. You can ask for multiple choice questions, create flashcards, or even ask for short answer questions to really test your understanding.
And this is what that looks like. You get relevant questions pulled right from your own notes. This helps you practice something called active recall, which learning scientists say is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your memory for exams. You can just quiz yourself over and over until the concepts are totally locked in. For our final superpower, let's look at something a little more advanced. So many subjects require you to understand the tiny, subtle differences between big concepts. Well, NotebookLM can help you visualize these complex comparisons in an instant.
So instead of frantically flipping between different sections of your notes, you can just ask for a direct comparison. Here, we're asking it to whip up a table comparing 2 key concepts from our Indian polity notebook. This is an absolute game changer for writing essays. And there you have it, a perfectly structured table that lays out all the key differences, right next to each other. This kind of visual organization makes really complex information so much easier to digest and remember. It's a tool for true understanding, not just memorizing facts.
So, when you put all of these pieces together, you can see this isn't just a gadget. It's a completely new way to approach your studies. It's a smarter, much more efficient workflow. The process is so simple, but it's incredibly powerful. You upload your material, you use the AI to summarize the key ideas, you quiz yourself to make sure you retain the information, and then you create new study aids, like comparison tables or report outlines, to really deepen your understanding. It's a complete system for mastering any subject.
So, the final question really isn't if this tool can help, it's what could you achieve with it? Just imagine having a study partner that never gets tired and knows your curriculum inside and out. What complex subject could you finally conquer? What academic goals could you finally reach? The possibilities are really all yours to discover.